in integration I 0 to 1 x square is square root of 1 minus x dx. Okay, so what you have done here, here you have applied the property. Which property is this? This is this sixth property, that is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property you have applied here. Perfectly correct. This you should not write. You should write like this. And then next step is you are replacing x with 1 minus x the whole square, and then here you are replacing x with 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 plus 1. This minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled and you will get root x. This is correct. And then 1 minus x the whole square, a minus b the whole square. This is going to multiply this with 1. So this is correct. Minus 2, this is correct. This is again x square plus x to the power of 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. This is again correct. Next step is what? Next step is you are taking the integration. So when you take integration, this will become your x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So I'm writing here 3 and here 2. Okay, this is what you wrote here, this which is correct. Now again minus 2, then here it will be x to the power of 5 by 2. So you will write 5 by 2 here divided by 5 by 2. So into 2, it's correct. Then again plus, here you will write x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, you will going to write 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Here it will be 7 by 2. Then what you're doing, you are putting the limits from where to where, from 0 to 1. Then next step, what you did, you have substituted the values of x as 1 everywhere. Here also you substituted, here also you substituted minus 4 upon 5, here also you substituted 2 upon 5 1. Okay, and then minus everything lower limit, so 0. So this is 0. So finally you got the answer, that is 16 upon 105, which is perfectly correct answer. Okay, so in question number 14, it says integration 0 to pi x sin x cos square x dx. Okay, so here what you will do, here what you can do is you will going to apply this particular property, fourth property, 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Why? Because here you have 0 to pi. So whenever you have 0 to pi, you always try to do this way. Okay, so you did this, and then after doing this, what you got, this sine of pi minus x is, and here x you replace as pi minus x. So sine of pi minus x will be your sine x, which you wrote here, which is correct. And cos of pi minus x is minus cos of x, which is the whole square. So finally you got this, which is perfectly correct. Okay, now this you can call this particular as, you can call this as equation 1, and here in this case you can call this as equation number 2. Now here you have cos square x, here you have cos square x, here you have sin x, here you have sin x, here you have only x, and here you have pi minus x. So what you will do, you will going to add equation 1 and equation 2 to eliminate x. So that's what you did in the next step. Equation 1 plus equation 2, when you added this, minus x plus x get cancelled, you will get only pi. This pi you have taken out, then you get sin x cos square x dx. The next step, what you did, you took the means you put cos x is equal to t, derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so here sine minus sine is not there, so you will put minus sign here, here also you will put minus sign, and then you will get minus pi. Okay, integration this 0 to pi, that will be changed now. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, and cos pi is minus 1. So this will be from minus 1 to 1. This minus sin x dx, this minus sin x dx, this minus sin x dx is dt. So you will write here dt. Cos square x, you will write here t square. So you will get integration of minus pi. So here I am writing minus pi integration 1 to minus 1 t square dt. Okay, so that's what you got it here. Now what you did, okay, now you again applied this particular formula because it is a even function, so you applied this particular formula, and that's perfectly correct. Here once you reach at this step without applying that even formula also, you should get the answer. Okay, let's check how you will get the answer. So this integration of t square is t cube upon 3, limit is from 1 to minus 1. Okay, 1 to minus 1. So here what you will get, this minus pi, here you will get minus 1 by 3, because minus 1 the whole cube is this. Okay, this will put in bracket, then again here minus, and you will write 1 by 3. Okay, so what you will get here, you will get minus pi, which is constant. From here you will take minus pi, which is constant. So here you will get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is what? Okay, pi minus pi into pi is pi. Okay, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 pi by 3. So this should be your answer. Let's check whether this is what you are. So I got the answer as 2 pi by 3. Now what is my left hand side? This left hand side is 2i. This is 2i. So I need to write here 2i. Okay, so here again I need to write here 2i, 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 and 2i. And then my final answer I will be what? This here, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and I will get answer as pi by 3. So what is the meaning of, what is the meaning of explaining you or solving in this way? The only thing is, it is not compulsory that if you have the limit 1 to minus 1, and if this function is even function, तो आप इसको हमेशा 2 फिर इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 1 ही लिखो. ऐसा कुछ कंपलसरी नहीं है. अगर आपको इंटीग्रेशन इजी लग रहा है, बहुत ही इजी लग रहा है, या जैसे कि यहाँ पर टी स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन बहुत इजी है, टी क्यू अपॉन 3, तो आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, लेकिन बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस क्या कहती है? बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस कहती है ये करना जो आपने किया है, यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस. तो ये तो मैंने आपको एक्स्ट्रा करके बताया कि आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, लेकिन सही तरीका कौन सा है इन दोनों में से करने का? दिस इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. दिस इज द करेक्ट वे. ओके, फाइन. तो आपका पाई बाय 3 आ रहा है आंसर. सो दिस पाई बाय 3 आंसर इज परफेक्टली करेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so my question is integration I is goes from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to, this is 0, 0 to 1, log of x upon root of 1 minus x square. So whenever I have integration 0 to 1, what is my thinking? I will going to apply the property. Which property? The property is, it is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This property I will going to apply. So when I applying this property, here log x will become log of 1 minus x, and here it will become 1 minus, then 1 minus 1 plus 2x plus x square. 1 cancel, and then what answer I will get is negative. So this property will not going to work here. Why this will not going to work here? Because in denominator I am getting minus 2x minus x square. That's the reason this property will not going to work. So I have to change my approach. What is the second approach? Second approach is, this is a rational number of the form p by q. Okay, that is rational, not number, rational function, that is p of x upon q of x, where what is p of x? P of x is log of x, and what is q of x? Q of x is square root of 1 minus x square. So what you will observe here, you will observe that square root of 1 minus x square is there. तो आप क्या करोगे? कभी भी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर दिखे आपको, तो आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हो क्या? x की वैल्यू को साइन थीटा सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हो, जो आपने यहाँ बिल्कुल सही किया है. फिर आपने डेरिवेटिव लिया, cos थीटा डी थीटा आया, 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ये बिल्कुल सही है। फिर आपने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है तो आपको लिमिट भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा। तो व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू 0 थीटा विल बी 0, व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू 1 थीटा विल बी पाई बाय 2, विच इज परफेक्टली करेक्ट। तो आपने यहाँ लिखा i इज इक्वल टू 0 टू पाई बाय 2, ये आपका log ऑफ x की जगह आपका sin x हो जाएगा। तो आप इसको ऐसे लिखोगे, log ऑफ within bracket you will write sin theta and then d theta। ये cos x और ये cos x ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे एंड यू विल गेट दिस। ओके, अब इसके बाद आपको ये वाला फॉर्मूला, ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है। ठीक है, ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी आपको यूज करनी है। अच्छा, ये प्रॉपर्टी आपको यूज क्यों करनी है ये मैं अभी आपको समझाऊंगा। ठीक है, विच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। ये प्रॉपर्टी मतलब आपको क्यों यूज करनी है ये आपको समझना बहुत 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 जरूरी है। ओके, तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट नाउ। फाइन, so here you get I is equal to, finally what you are getting I is equal to, okay, integration of 0 to uh, 0 to this pi by 2, you will try to convert this pi by 2 as 2 into pi by 4. Okay, and then you will going to apply this particular property. Why you will going to apply this particular property, which I am explaining you now. ठीक है, मुझे एक बात बताइए, अगर आपने यहाँ पर थीटा की जगह अगर आपने 0 पुट किया तो व्हाट इज साइन 0? साइन 0 इज 0। व्हाट इज log 0? log 0 इज 0। ओके, नाउ what is साइन ऑफ पाई बाय 2? साइन पाई बाय 2 इज 1। ओके, अच्छा, log 0 is infinite ना, आई एम सॉरी, log 0 is infinite, okay, and that too minus infinite। okay, and what is sine log of 1? log of 1 is 0, so log of 1 0 है, so not a problem। ठीक है, log of 1 is 0, not a problem। लेकिन log of 0 minus infinity है, minus infinity, which is a problem। so what I'll do, so I will going to change what, I will going to change this particular limit, that will be from instead of writing 0 to pi by 2, I will write 0 to 2 into pi by 4। okay, the reason, and then after this I will going to apply this particular property। what is this property? This property is integration 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of x plus integration 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx। this property I will going to use। still I have not explained you why to use this property, so for that let's understand, means I have explained you but not with graph, so now I will going to explain you with that graph। what is the function? Function is log of sine theta। so now you have seen that the limit is from 0 to pi by 2। okay, so this 0 to pi by 2 is what, is from here to here। okay, so what I'll do, I will not write from here to here pi by 2। why? Because this is 0 and this is infinite, this is 0। okay, this here, this particular place I am getting y as 0, whereas here I am getting infinite। so to avoid this, what I will do, I will try to again divide into 2, it means from 0 to pi by 4, so I will going to change it from 0 to pi by 4। okay, only from 0 to pi by 4। okay, that's the reason, means this is one of the reason why we should use that property। which property? This was this property। okay, hope you have understood। now let me explain you this with the graph again। so this is my graph। okay, so in this particular graph, 1 minute, it is like this, it is something like this। so here it is 0, okay, here it is 0, and here what is that, it is meeting the here na? what is that, here it is pi। okay, so when we say pi, so this is pi, right, this is pi। here it will be exactly pi by 2. So you can see, so when it is pi by 2, I am getting 0, and when it is 0, I am getting what? I am getting infinite. What is that infinite? Minus infinite. How I came to know? From graph I came to know like this, and without graph I came to know like this. How? See, I will repeat this again. I am repeating this again. Now, when I substitute the value of sine theta as 0, I will get sine 0. Okay, sine 0 is what? 0. What is log of 0? Log of 0 is minus infinity. Okay, upper limit is what? Pi by 2. What is sine pi by 2? Sine pi by 2 is 1. So what is log 1? Log 1 is 0. So I am getting 0 to minus infinity. So I will not going to get a proper number. Okay, so whenever you have of such scenario, then what you do? Then in that case, you will going to use this property. Hope now it is clear. Okay, that's the reason I will going to use that property, and then with that property, I will going to write this pi by 2 as what? As 2 into pi by 4, 0 to 2 into pi by 4, log of theta d theta. Okay, fine. Next, okay, now I change this. Now based on this, I will going to use the property. The property is what? It is 0 to pi by 4 log of sine theta d theta plus again 0 to pi by 4 log of sine. This theta will be changed to what? To pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, don't make this mistake. It will not be pi by 4 now. It will be pi by 2 only. Okay, it will be 2a only as per the property. See here property, it is 2a. Okay, so that's what we did it. Okay, so now next step will be what? Next step will be you will write 0 to pi by 4. This log of sin x I will going to write as it is, because I can't do anything here, because this is of same scenario which we got earlier. Okay, that is the same scenario. I cannot do anything there. Okay, but I have something here. Okay, by the property I got something here. So it is again 0 to pi by 4 log of what is sine of pi by 2 minus theta? It is cos of theta d theta. Now I will going to add this. It is 0 to pi by 4 log of sine theta plus log of cos theta, and then this is d theta. Now I will going to apply the logarithmic law. What is that? Log a plus log b. What is that? Log a plus log b. It is log of ab. So I will write here sine theta, and then here it will be cos theta. Okay, and then d theta. Now I will going to here I have two functions, so I will going to make it as one function. How? By multiplying by 2 and divide by 2 here. So with this what I will get? I will get 0 to pi by 4 log of, here I will get sine of 2 theta, sine of 2 theta upon 2. This is what I will get now, d theta. Here again I can apply the law. Okay, which is that law? This law will be, logarithmic law is what? Sine of a divide log of a upon b is what? It is log a minus log b. Let me write here, log of a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. So that's what I will going to write here. So it will be log of sine of 2 theta minus log of 2. Okay, this limit will come 0 to pi by 4, and this entire it will be d theta. Fine. Okay, now let's solve this separately. So here it is 0 to pi by 4 log of sine of 2 theta d theta, and here log 2 is constant, I have taken out. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 d theta. Okay, now here it is 2 theta, so here what I will do now? Now I will going to put 2 theta is there, right? Here it is. Log 2 is already taken out, so no need to write here. Okay, so here what I'll put, 2 theta is there now. I don't have 2 theta, I don't want, so I will going to put 2 theta is equal to t. So 2 d theta is equal to d3. With this, what happens with this? Okay, I need to change the limit also. So when theta is equal to 0, t will be 0, and when theta is pi by 4, t will be pi by 2. So I'm changing here, so it will be 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and this log of sine of t, this dt d theta will become dt upon 2 from here. Okay, d theta will become dt upon 2 minus, this is log 2. Now integration of this is theta. Limit I will going to put from 0 to pi by 4. Okay, this 1 by 2 is constant, I am taking out, and then uh, I will take what? I will take integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t dt minus log of 2, and then this is pi by 4. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit, which is 0. Fine. Now what is my left hand side? This left hand side is I. Okay, I is equal to 1 by 2. Now I want to check what is this. What is this? 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t dt. What is that? Let's check that. So you will going to see that this is nothing but this. This is nothing but I. Can you see this? This is equation number 1. So I is what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t. Okay, log of sine t, and then log of sine t d theta. This is my I. So this I will going to substitute here. Okay, I will going to substitute here. This is my what? This is my I minus log of 2. Okay, and then into pi by 4. Now this I will going to transpose here. It will get I minus 1 by 2 I, that is equal to I minus 1 by 2 I. Okay, that is equal to minus log of 2 and this will be pi by 4. Okay, now 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? Is 1 by 2 I. So 1 by 2 I is equal to minus log of 2 pi by 4. This 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So therefore the value of I will be what? The value of I will be minus log 2, okay, which is a constant, and this pi by 2, it is again the constant. Okay, okay, fine. So your answer is this, and if you want you can even write this answer as, always try to avoid final answer in minus. Okay, so this pi by 2 I will write here pi by 2, and this log, this minus I will going to take here, so it will become 2 to the power of minus 1. Okay, and next step is pi by 2 log of, what is this? It is 1 by 2. Correct. So this is your final answer.